Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace engine air filter in 2011 Jeep Compass. This is gonna apply to Jeep Compass, Jeep Patriots and Dodge Caliber made from 2011 and all the way up to 2017. If this video helps, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Equipped with 2.4 4-cylinder engines. First you will have to open the hood and you will have to pull this hood lever. Now if you check your engine compartment, your air filter is located under this cover, right in this box. So first I will remove this plastic piece, and you can do that by turning those wing nuts counterclockwise. There are two of them, and now I will just pull it out and remove it. Next step is to remove this holder, and to remove that you have one screw here, and to remove that one I'm gonna be using smaller ratchet with 10mm deep socket. So you can just turn it counterclockwise and then you wanna completely remove that one. Next, you wanna loosen up this bolt. So again, you can use 10mm deep socket, and that one you just wanna loosen it up. You don't have to remove it completely, and when this one is loose, you can just pull this out of the way. Now next step is to remove 6 of those screws. So you have them. I already removed all of them, I left only one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So to remove those you can use 8mm deep socket, or also you can use screwdriver, cross or Phillips screwdriver. When all the screws are removed, you can just lift up this cover. And now you can see your engine air filter there. And now to remove the old filter, you just wanna pull it out. You can just wiggle it a little bit. And remove it. If you have any dirt in your airbox, it's a good idea to clean it up. And now, when it's all cleaned up, you can install your new engine air filter. So you want to make sure this side, the side that's open, will connect to this hose. You want to twist it up. Make sure it's properly attached. Check the bottom of it. Make sure it's attached to that hose. And now when the new filter is inside, you can put all the screws back. So I'm gonna start with this. And now you have 6 of those screws all around this airbox cover. You want to make sure that you tighten up all the screws. And the last piece, I'm going to attach this air intake. Make sure you fit it inside this air box. And then lock it up. Turn it clockwise. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.